In this video, I will show you how to fix high ping in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, there's a few things you can do to reduce your ping. Of course, if you do have a high ping, you're going to experience lag and you're going to find that your Windows 11 PC or laptop is going to start to run really slow, especially when gaming or watching videos. Now, the number one solution I would recommend is actually purchasing an Ethernet cable. So what this does, it plugs into your laptop or PC and the other end would plug directly into your internet router box. By providing a direct connection, this is going to significantly lower your ping. However, if you don't want to do that, maybe you've got your PC or laptop in a different room and you're not close enough to your router to directly connect it with an Ethernet cable, there's still a couple of things you can do to reduce the ping on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, the first way to do this is from your desktop, you want to come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In the search box, type View Network Connections, and then open up View Network Connections underneath Best Match. Once you've got this opened, what you want to do is find your Wi-Fi adapter. So that's going to be the one with the signal. The ones with the crosses are not going to be your Wi-Fi adapter. And what you want to do is double click, and that's going to open up a window like this. Now, on this window, if you come down, you're going to see a properties box. Give that a click. And what you want to do on your properties is look for Internet Protocol version 4, which is this one just down here. Once you've done that, click to highlight and then come down and click onto properties underneath. And what you're going to want to do for the top box, you want to leave this set to obtain an IP address automatically. But for the bottom one, you want to change this to use the following DNS server addresses. So click the radio button here. And what you need to enter into preferred DNS server is 8888. In alternative DNS server, type 8844 and then click OK. So what that's going to do is use Google servers, which is going to give you a faster connection and hopefully reduce your ping on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. After doing this, the next thing I would recommend is if you are using like a VPN or a proxy network, I would recommend disabling that, as sometimes that can contribute to a high ping. So if you are using something like Proton VPN, then just disable it to see if that does make a difference and reduce your ping. Once you've done that, what I would recommend doing next is making sure that you have got the most up-to-date drivers for your network adapter. To check this, from your desktop, come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, type Device Manager, and then open up Device Manager underneath Best Match. Now, once your Device Manager is opened, what you want to do is look for network adapters and just click onto the small arrow next to this. Then what you need to do is find your wireless network adapter. So you can see mine's here. Double click onto this. Once you found it, click to highlight, right click, and then click onto Update Driver. And on this window that comes up, click onto Search automatically for drivers. At this point, it's going to tell you if the best drivers are already installed or if there's any updates available. You can also check this by clicking down here, and that's going to check on Windows Update to see if there's any driver updates available. After doing this, the final thing I would recommend doing is from your desktop, if you come down to your search box, this time you want to type CMD, and underneath Best Match, you should see Command Prompt. Now, what you want to do is come to the right hand side, make sure to run this as administrator. And you want to type the following command into here, which is ipconfig // DNS, and then hit enter. Once you've done that, type the next command, which is netsh winsock reset, and again hit enter. Now, after doing this, what you can do is type exit, hit enter to come out of your command prompt, and the final step is to just simply restart your PC to apply everything and the updates and things like that. So once you restart your PC, your problem should now be fixed and you should have a much better ping, and that's how to fix a high ping in Windows 11. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.